Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I'll be creating this makeup look right here. So if you guys are interested to know how I got this look, then you should keep on watching. So guys, I'm gonna start off by applying a primer on my concern area, and I'm using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Primer, and I'm just going to apply it basically everywhere, not concern area. And I really like this primer because it is like a silicone based primer and also it's a tinted primer. Next up guys, I'll be applying a foundation. So for my foundation I'm using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I'm in the shade Buff, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face using this Real Technique makeup sponge, or you can say beauty blender. You can see guys, the coverage is so awesome, and also this foundation blends out so easily, and it is such a super light, a very lightweight foundation. So you guys can definitely try this out. I have picked this up from Nykaa, so I will just link down all of the product and everything because Nykaa started delivering their products and everything like that sort. So for my concealer guys, I'll be using this Sugar Magic Wand concealer, and I'm just going to apply that around my eyes, like under my eyes, forehead, bridge of my nose and around my mouth. I really like this concealer because it has such a nice coverage. Also it blends out really easily, and again I'm using the same Real Technique beauty blender and I'm just blending it out. Now guys, again I'm going to use the Sugar Set the Tone Tinted Powder, and I'm just going to set all of the area where I have applied the cream product, like basically all my face. And I'm using the same applicator that comes along with the product. And guys, I really like this powder, which I have mentioned many times in my YouTube videos. So this is such a great powder, and I'm dusting all of the product off using this Real Technique brush. Now I'm using this Wet n Wild bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my face, like the outer perimeter of my face, like my forehead, hollow of my cheeks, jawline, and I'm just using this fan brush. Next up guys, I'm going to add some flush of color on my cheeks. For that I'll be using this Rimmel blush palette, and I'm just going to pick the first shade and I'm just going to apply that on the center area of my cheeks. Next up guys, to add some highlighter, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Rose Gold, and I'm just going to apply that on the highest point of my face. Now I'm gonna start off by doing my eye makeup. So for my eye makeup I'll be using the same palette from Rimmel, like the blush palette, and I'm just going to pick this first color up and I'm just going to buff this color on my crease, and I'm just blending this color in a back and forth motion. Next up guys, I'll be picking up this dark shade and I'm just going to place that color on my outer V. Then I'm going to blend that color out with my crease shade. And now I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush from Real Technique and I'm just going to soften out all of the harsh edges, and I'm doing the same step with my other eye as well, so it will look even. Now I'm going to pick this middle shade with the help of my index finger. By the way guys, this shade do have some sort of sheen to it which really make your eyelid shiny, and I'm just going to apply on my eyelid with the help of my finger. Now guys, I'm going to use the same brush which I have used to apply my transition shade, and I'm just going to soften out all of the shade which I have applied on my eyelid. Now guys, I'm going to use the same transition shade on my lower lash line, and I'm applying this with this flat brush. Now guys, I'm going to add a winged eyeliner, and this eyeliner is from Maybelline, and now I'm just creating a normal winged eyeliner, nothing so extra. And now I'm going to add some mascara to my lashes, and for that I'll be using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I really like this mascara, and I'm just going to apply that on my bottom and top lashes. And now guys, I'm going to use the same highlighter from Maybelline, like the Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight my inner corner as well as my brow bone, and this is in the shade Rose Gold by the way. Now guys, to tightline my waterline, I'm using this Maybelline Tattoo Line Crayon Pen in the shade brown, which is my absolute favorite of all time, and I'm just going to apply that on my waterline basically. Now for my lipstick, I'll be using this Rimmel Stay Matte liquid lipstick. I'll just mention the shade in the bottom bar, and guys, you will find all of the product I have used in this makeup tutorial in the bottom bar below, so you guys can check that out before leaving this video. So guys, this is my final look, and I hope you guys like this video, you enjoyed watching my video, and if you really did so, then guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. It means world to me. Now guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see ya, take care, and see you soon.